In this video, I will show you how to delete Instagram account in computer PC. Open up your Instagram account, go down and push on More. Then Settings. Come over to Settings and push on See More in Account Center. In this left column, press on Personal Details. Then come over to Account Ownership and Control, open it up. Push on Deactivation or Deletion. Then your Instagram account, press on Delete Account. Scroll down, press Continue. Type in your password. Press Continue. Instagram wants to know why you are deleting your account. I will pick a random one. Press Continue. It says here that my account will be deleted on May the 2nd, 2024. That's a month from now. So if you decide that you want to get your account back again, you will have a month to do it. If not, your account will be deleted after a month. Press Delete Account. And that's how you do it, guys. How to delete Instagram account in computer PC.